Hi, my name is Dixon Ngu. I'm a first-year degree student studying Bachelor's in Science Quantity Surveying, currently in University of Reading, Malaysia, in Johor. Basically, I find BIM, Building Information Modeling, it's an interesting subject. I find it's quite easy to understand, as we students nowadays, we like to use advanced technologies such as iPads, computers, tablets. I think it is very interesting for us to know, and University of Reading, Malaysia, they provide good facilities like Revit, SketchUp for us students to use, to try, to experience, to understand how to use the BIM technologies for us to encounter in the future.
Remember, you have actually drawn this building manually, right? So now most of you have converted your drawings into digital form, and of course I think we have used SketchUp, and some of you may have tried Revit. And I need to highlight a few things, because if you remember, when we do things manually, then a lot of things you have to do. I'm trying to say that in terms of repetition, because when you draw your floor plan, then you need to get where your section line is, and from there on you need to create or draw again your section for that particular line.
Okay, nama saya Nurul Syahidah Binti Mazlan. Saya belajar di University of Reading, Malaysia, and dalam course BSc Quantity Surveying untuk tahun pertama. Okay, bagi pandangan saya, course ni sangat menarik, and it's a good opportunity sebab tak semua universiti provide this kind of course.
So what you can do now, let's say you click on this particular door, and you can see that the properties now showing the type door that you have selected, which is the interior single cool glass wood. So if you change this type of door to another type of door, let's say I'm choosing single flush now, this size, alright, and if you go back to your doors schedule just now, you can see that the course has been revised, which is automated revision of the course for any design changes made by the client or by the designers. Alright.
Hi, my name is Shanice, and I'm taking Quantity Survey in University of Reading. I'm first year students here. At first, it is quite new subject for us, but the lecturer is very helpful. So they will teach us step by step. So I find it's quite understanding subject.
And take example, let's say the previous assignment, you have modeled a building. So what you can do is actually just import and place your building in this terrain. So that will actually make a very realistic design incorporating real topography information.
Fakulti Alam Bina di sini, kita agak mungkin istilah yang saya gunakan bernasib baik, sebab semua kurikulum dan kandungan silibus kita dapat daripada kampus induk di United Kingdom, iaitu University of Reading sendiri. Dan di UK sebenarnya BIM telah aktif sejak 5-6 tahun yang lepas, dan ia juga disasarkan kepada pendidikan tinggi. Maksud saya di sini ialah di UK ada satu gabungan akademik yang melihat bagaimana mereka merangka dan merancang BIM di dalam kurikulum dan silibus pendidikan itu sendiri. Dan bila kita di Malaysia sebagai sebuah universiti yang baru, tentunya perkara ini sangat positif, sebab kita sudah ada satu modul ataupun kurikulum yang sangat jitu dan padu, yang boleh melahirkan graduan dalam bidang alam bina yang istilah yang saya gunakan ialah BEAM competence, ataupun ada graduan yang ada kompetensi dalam penggunaan BEAM. Dan oleh sebab itu di sini pelajar-pelajar mula menggunakan BEAM ataupun subjek-subjek BEAM mula diajar seawal dari semester 1 di tahun pertama lagi. Dan tentunya setiap semester mereka ada modul-modul yang memberi penambahbaikan dari aspek teknikal, pengetahuan dan juga praktikal, supaya akhirnya apabila mereka bergraduat, mereka ialah seorang graduan yang mempunyai BEAM kompetensi.
So, let's BEAM!
Let's BEAM!